Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pesto sauce from fresh basil. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/2 cup of good quality olive oil. Toasting your pine nuts briefly in a dry pan really brings out their nutty flavor, so don't skip this step. This simple preparation ensures a delicious start to your homemade pesto. Now let's get blending. Carefully add your fresh basil leaves, the toasted pine nuts, and the peeled garlic cloves into your food processor. Next, incorporate the 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Begin to pulse the ingredients. You want to achieve a coarse, crumbly texture at this stage, not a smooth paste just yet. This initial blend ensures all the dry ingredients are well combined before we introduce the oil. With the base ingredients combined, it's time to add the olive oil. While the food processor is running on a low setting, slowly drizzle in the 1/2 cup of olive oil. This gradual addition helps emulsify the sauce, creating that classic creamy texture. Continue processing until your pesto reaches your preferred consistency, some like it chunkier, others smoother. Finally, taste and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Adjust as needed for perfect flavor. Once your delicious homemade pesto is ready, you can store it in an airtight container. To keep it fresh longer, pour a thin layer of olive oil over the top before sealing. It will last in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or you can freeze it in ice cube trays for several months, perfect for quick meals. Serve your pesto with pasta, on sandwiches, or as a dip. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.